Hello, everyone. My name is Usman, and I am founder at Repairs. A lot of our users ask us if they are using a cash register and if there's a way they, rather than switching from one profile to another, they can use just one profile, and whenever they check out, they can enter the employee access pin, and Repairs can associate a transaction. So today, I'm going to show you this hack that will allow you to just use one user profile, and while checking out, you can just enter the access pin. So to do that, first of all, you go to store settings, and then under employees, click on manage employees. Um, Before you add a new employee profile, one thing I would like to show is you also need to create a new role. So click on roles, and then so I've already created a role as POS user, and then against each role you can assign permissions. So I have given POS user limited access, so he cannot, delete anything or view anything. If you would like, you can also choose to hide cost price, so your employees cannot see cost of inventory items. So now head to manage employees and click on add employee profile. Now simply create a new employee role. Let's say POS user, just add a dummy email address, pos@repeaters.co, enter a password which your employee can use to enter it to Repeaters, select the store profile, enter, select the employee role, enter an access pin, and click save. Now the final setting you need to do is to click on module configuration and then head to POS. As you can see that first two triggers are enabled, which shows that whenever an employee perform a transaction or creating a ticket, Repairs will automatically ask for a PIN number. So let's go to POS. So currently I'm logged into my main profile. So what I will do is I'll switch to the POS user profile. Okay. So before I try to ring something, I will start. I'll start a shift. So I'll click on Open Register. I'll choose a register from my profile. Okay. So it already shows that I have $174 over there. So I'll start a shift. Okay, so now if whenever I try to create a ticket or try to ring something out, it will request a PIN number. So let's go ahead and try to quickly check out a customer. Let's say if someone walks in for a prepaid PIN, I could check out. Okay, so let's say I mean, if it's a different profile, a different employee who wants to check out customer, let's say it's not myself, it's someone else. I'll simply select the profile, and the employee will enter their PIN number. I'll just click on full payment, or if an employee is paying $5 cash and $5 through credit card, I can do a tender transaction as well. I'll hit confirm. That's it. Now if I click on transaction log to see if it's working properly, so you can see that, I mean, there was one transaction created, and we received a $5 payment through cash, and $5.60 was received through credit card. I hope you find this video useful. Please leave your comments in the comment section to see if you have any further questions. Thank you and have a wonderful day.